Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your SIM card on Android. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now keep in mind that the interface and option names may vary depending on your device model and Android version. We need to find the security option. On some phones, it might be available right on the main settings page, but for me, I'll tap on Additional Settings. From there, I'll go to Safety and Privacy. Next, look for an option called SIM card lock and tap on it. Before you can lock your SIM card, you will need your SIM PIN to proceed. Now, where do you find this code? It's actually printed on the SIM information card that came with your SIM when you purchased it. Simply enter the code here and tap OK, and your SIM card will be locked. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.